curry plant.
Crazy.
It does smell like masala.
Yeah.
It smells like curry. That's crazy. Wow, the more you know.
Oh, I need this to lie on top
To get rid of your cats.
Ja,
So interesting.
Ek gaan dit julle proe, ek net vir elkeen 'n stokkie hou, dan moet jy wat op die gras voer.
Ja.
Daai enetjie. So ons is nou op die Raniani en die soft serve uitverkoop. Maar ek het graag julle moet proe want ons het dit net in die herfs en dan die soft serve is net hierdie tyd van die jaar. So dis 'n bietjie ietsie anderste. Ek gaan nou eers hierdie ene, dis die dandelion heuning.
So.
Die byt, moenie worry oor die bytjie nie. Sy het my net vir die heuning kom en sy sal nie pla nie vir die heuning aan. Proe daai blom gee.
Ons logo die wildflower.
Jo. Dis baie lekker.
Dis baie lekker, dis ietsie anderste, nee. Ek wil ene met eers die cream proe, dis nou hierdie ene en dan gaan ek die soft serve.
Lyk dit is julle heuning baie attractief.
Ja.
Dis baie gesonde heuning.
Ek hou van dit.
As hy soms
Wat kaart, kyk, kontant.
wel natuurlik, ons het niks gedoen aan hom nie. Dis uitgespin, gebot in die emmers gesit en binne 2-3 dae toe dit so geset. Hy het glad nie kristalle in nie, hy gaan nie geskien word, hy gaan net so. Dis baie lekker, baie lekker.
Jo, ja.
Wow.
Ja, nee.
Dit is geroomde sonneblom.
Okay.
Daar's skoonlepeltjies. Jy kan daar proe en dan kan jy met daar weer. Wat is hier in alles? Daar's niks in nie. Dis net heuning, suiwer heuning. Hulle kristalliseer baie vinnig. Dan klissels hulle baie goed dat daai kristalle breek. Dat hulle so smooth word.
Fyn met blommetjies en goedjies.
Nee, dis net sonneblom. Hulle staan by die sonneblomlande.
O, is dit
So dit by die sonneblom.
Jo, dis baie lekker. So smooth.
Ja, dit is baie lekker consistency net.
Jo, dis baie lekker.
Interessant dat hierdie so smooth is en ander dit hang net af van hoe hulle dit verwerk.
Jo, that's like pudding. You can just keep eating.
Hy het verlede jaar met sy vorige het hy tweede plek gekry op die strand.
Oh, wow. Sure.
Alcoholic beverages in the world.
Oh.
Some of its origins from the Vikings, from the tribes in North Africa and India. So mead is basically just fermented honey and water. You are welcome to taste if you're interested. We have 2 traditional meads and then a coffee and vanilla and an orange and cinnamon.
Wow. Oh, cool, man. That is very cool.
Thank you.
All American. That's so cool.
Yeah, the coffee is very strong.
Systeem ook. En as jy bijvoorbeeld in die oggend wakker word nie vol, so krapperig lepeltjie van. Die is baie lepeltjies. Dit is net nou 'n bietjie smelter.
I use this, yeah.
And it's really, I've given to my mom and
Sure. It's an interesting taste. Yo, it's nice and strong. That tastes healthy.
quite strong. I mix it with water.
Okay. Sure, yeah, no, I feel healthy already. I had something, so this was great.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
Sure, very cool. Yeah, please, that looks amazing.
Coconut is one of my favorites.
I think it is, yeah.
Coconut.
Natuurlijk je algemeen.
Ooh. Oeps, kies. Wow. That is so much flavor.
One of the best ones.
Wow.
I used to have it in my oats every morning. I bought a bucket.
Really like that.
It doesn't last very long.
Oh wow, I feel like.
Flowers color.
Oh wow.
Sure.
Het jy tuiste van hom of nie?
Ja.
Is dit
Strijd. Wat in die wildtuin, onder andere in die wildtuin. Ja,
So.
hulle blom Oktober, November, Maart. Blom is baie stryk hulle.
My genade.
Yo, mum. Getting a good tasting there. Oh wow. That is also
Dit is nou
wow.
van laas jaar.
Guys, you must know ours this one.
That's really good.
Ja.
It's almost a combination between this and crystallized.
Ja, ja. Albei neem ek dan.
And
Wow.
it's good.
Lekker steen.
Sure. Maak die bos die heuning soeter, die geel ene.
Wow.
Dis die bos wat dit soeter maak. Ja, definitief vir ons. So dit is ook vir die heuning wat ons
Dit hang af van wat se nektar die bye werk. Ja. Alle
Yo, dis baie lekker.
vir een van die redes hou hulle van daai keelblommetjies.
I think you like the darker one and I like the lighter one.
Ja, but coconut is just it's top tier.
Dis baie lekker, ja.
I wou nou net sê, I like the citrus.
You like the citrus.
I like the citrus.
So that was the aloe. Very cool.
Lemon. Okay. Lemon lemon.
Ja, ek dink ek hou daarvan veral in 'n
citrus.
teekie dan
Ja, en die teken
kan mense regtig
You like the cream one? Ek moet hom baie roteer in die citrus areas.
my go-to.
So bokse. Nee, ek het nie baie nie so.
Oh wow.
Ek doen nie die stywing
Nice,
so.
eh?
Yeah.
Jy kan ook nie wat enige
That's insane.
By te veel gou. Yes, dis so hierdie citrus wat ek is van 'n vriend van my wat 'n boord het wat nie kan spyt.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Nee, dis baie lekker.
The removals that I did now.
Oh, wow.
It's a bit of a darker honey, and so it's good for winter.
Ooh.
But more antioxidants. Enzymes and
Oh, that's nice. That's very lekker.
That's your favorite one so far? Really?
What did you say about we're not buying more honey?
flowers. People water their gardens right through the year. They don't go through a dearth. So the honey is very loaded with extra minerals and antioxidants.
Oh wow.
These bees goes through a dearth, so the consistency is different.
Okay, sure.
So would that be more of like your multiflora? It is multiflora.
Everything
right?
is multiflora to its own right, but the richness of the nectar is a lot more than these ones.
Okay, alright. Okay.
Okay, wow.
This is more variety of flowers, and this one is what?
This is mostly your acacia trees and
Oh,
your fuse
bush flowers.
flowers.
Okay, so I suppose there's a big difference. Eh?
Yes. Well, you can taste it. Use it.
Wow. This is also very good. Maybe you have to taste it.
For a strain we just.
This is also very good. Eh?
This one's, we will use this one.
I'm gonna use the back of
I
the
think that first one is my favorite of all.
Oh,
these
wow.
around here.
It's lekker.
You like it?
That first one. You're so right.
It's all lekker. No, this is interesting how different it tastes.
I like the cream honey as well, you know.
I like this one.
Yeah. It almost tastes like it's
But
a
you
cream
like that?
honey.
with love and respect.
That one.
The natural.
Yeah. Your crystallized honey. You can just put it, this is you put it in a blender and it becomes like a creamy honey. See, mine I put in hot water, then it's drying. You
Oh,
know?
it must be too hot.
Off you.
We can share. Okay, well then share. Maybe not.
It's honey gates. That's like, no.
Tastes like honey.
Yeah, 1 month is this flower, 1 month is. So it's a normal belt with all these little
That's almost
flowers.
scary in a way because you can never replicate
It is.
the same.
Yo, that's
And
so
I've won a
smooth.
lot of them.
Yeah.
So look at here.
Wow. And the consistency is nice.
You should get yourself one of those.
Oh, yeah.
Honey.
Big one.
It's so cute.
Oh, cute man.
Can I try the lychee?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Is that lychee?
You can put your little sticks in here and
Can I use that?
yeah, yeah.
Have you tried lychee?
No. That's so interesting.
That is good.
Oh, wow.
That looks interesting. I also picked it a lychee now and I thought to myself, what is
Yeah, I was also curious. Yeah, Megan saw earlier there's a cough syrup one. Go for it, Mum.
Shay, you have to try the lychee.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna do that now.
If you hadn't told me what it
Oh,
is,
Jim,
I would
thanks.
You would have guessed lychee.
definitely.
No, that's a good one.
Like,
The problem is I've got 2 buckets, 3 jars still that I have to
Yeah.
get through. And now
Another
Megan's
one?
bought more.
Wow.
anyway.
Insane. Does that taste like lychee?
Oh, really? Hosting honey parties. Invite people around and down. Yeah.
Yeah. Hold it back.
There's almonds.
Got the
Is
lemon.
that the one?
That is it. Last one save us.
It could have been the last, but yeah.
I think it was a peanut butter. That's enough. But the lemon.
Wow.
Yo.
Yeah, and the lemon just makes the sweetness of the honey. Okay, so the chilies is 30% honey. So now we always put 30% honey.
I can do that.
So this is the jalapeno, which is the mild one. Then you get a peri peri, which is mild to medium. And this is the devil. It's a Carolina Reaper.
That one they haven't told us.
Yeah, but it's nice. It doesn't taste long. It takes 4 seconds and then it comes in.
Woohoo! Yeah, shoo. We got burnt shield in the car.
Very tasty.
Yeah, that one I can. Oh, dit is 'n bietjie baie nie.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's nice.
Oh, yeah.
It's like
That is good. That is good.
Is it? Yeah.
That's nice. The peri peri is definitely maybe the rest of the coffee is just fruit. But I think that one, I want to do it.
Yeah, that peri peri is like the
It's
spice.
fine.
That is a quite spicy.
No, let it sit. Let it sit. I'm just back. There's a waterfall close by.
Yeah, just go jump.
Right, good for the warning. What else is it? One of those things you do in moderation, like you add a little bit to it.
Yeah. You must put a bit of flour.